Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is put your name on your paper. And then I want you to write the date. Where can you find the date if you don't know what the date is? On the board right there. What is the date today? 9-10-21. Very good. What else do I like on your math paper at the top? Over here I want a R. And over here I want an L. Okay, so today our learning goal was what? Do you remember? I can use a number bond. I can use a number bond to show the parts of a number. So right here it says circle 2 parts you see. Make a number bond to match. So let's look at number 1.
Hey, I see 5 and 1.
Oh, Cameron sees a 5. I see a 5 too. So let's circle this 5 because it kind of looks like a dice, doesn't it?
Yep.
I see a 5. So one of my parts is going to be 5. Make sure you put it on the parts of your number bond.
And 1.
And then, yeah, the part that I didn't circle is the number 1.
6.
Okay, so Cameron says that 5 and 1 together, remember?
6.
You can think about it like adding right there. 5 and 1 together makes what number? 6. Good.
I agree.
Good. So one of my parts was 5, one of my parts was 1. Together,
6.
we made the number 6.
And then I see.
Okay, hang on. If you want to talk, make sure you raise your hand. All right, scooching on over
I see.
to the number 2. You need to raise your hand, okay? Toby, what parts, thanks for raising your hand, bud. What parts do you see there? What part do you want to circle?
I see a 3 in a line.
A 3 in a line going across or up and down?
Up and down.
Up and down. He sees 3 right here going up and down. Let's circle that 3. So then that tells me that one of my parts is going to be 3. Write it down here.
It's 3 and then another 3.
Okay. Then another 3 is the amount that we didn't circle. Okay. Adriel, how much 3 and 3 together? What do you think?
6.
Adriel says 6. Do you agree with him?
Yes.
All right. So 3 and 3 together makes 6. So remember, we're showing our parts with the number bond today. That's our learning goal. Yeah.
When I still clean.
Yadira, what part do you see that we can circle on the next one? Looks like an L.
Because it is an
How many? The line going up and down?
5.
She sees 5 going up and down right here. So let's circle those 5 together.
I already did.
So one of my parts is 5.
Miss Kinsky, kind of looks like we're doing Word Friday.
Kind of.
Like we're finding.
So Kimmy, what's my other part? 2. Oh, we practiced this one already when we watched the video with Miss Arwen. 5 and 2 together makes what? Yeah, you guys should be knowing your 2 facts by now. 5 and 2 together, those 2 parts make the whole amount 7, or the total. All right. Okay, Ellie, what part do you see on the next one that we could circle? She sees 3. I see 3 on top right here. Let's circle those 3 together. And let's write, Toby, that one of my parts is 3. So what's my other part, the part that I didn't circle? 4, yes. So then 3 and 4 together makes 7. And if you weren't sure, we could start with the bigger number 4 and count up 4. Count up 3 more. 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's look at the next one. Hyro, what on those dots, what group do you see we could circle together?
4.
Yeah, Hyro sees 4. I see 4 too, pretty easy that we could circle right there. So that means that one of my parts is going to be the number 4. And how many is not circled, Toby?
4.
4.
4 plus 4 equals 8.
Adriel says 4 and 4 is 8. Do you agree with him? If you weren't sure, you could start with 4 and count 4 more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. We're going to do this one together. Shh.
Oh, that's the 9.
Hadley, what number do you see that we can circle together there?
5.
I see another dice looking 5 too right there. So let's circle that 5. It kind of looks like a dice, doesn't it? 5. So one of my parts is going to be 5.
3.
And what part did I not circle there? 3. The other part's going to be 3.
8.
5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. The whole number or the total is going to be 8. Yeah. All right, go ahead, flip it over like pancake.
That's how the backside looks like.
Okay. Now, we're going to do it again. Emiliana, what part do you see right here that we could circle?
5.
5. I see 5 in a row right here too. So let's go ahead and circle this 5 in a row. Yep, so then one of your parts is going to be 5.
Oh, I know this one. And then use 4.
And the other part, good, is going to be 4. Ooh, that's a big one. So what I'm going to do, okay, all right. Well, I'm glad that you know it, but we are modeling making a number bond today. So let's start with the number 5. And let's count up 6, 7, 8, 9. So my total or my whole number is going to be 9.
And then I know
Hold on. If you would like to talk, you need to raise your hand. Axel, what number do you see here that we could circle together? 4. Very good. So let's circle these 4 on top.
Wait.
So one of my parts is going to be 4. And then I have how many on the bottom here? 5. Oh, guess what we just did? Look right over here. We're going to be talking about this next week a little bit. We just did 5 plus 4 makes 9. What about 4 plus 5? What would that make?
That would make the same.
Oh, it would make the same? Good. We are going to learn about that next week. And it is called the...
5 plus 4, but it's backwards.
You got it.
4 plus 5.
Yeah, we're going to learn about that next week. It's called the commutative property.
What?
I know. That's a big word. That's a big, big first grade word.
Like in your,
But we're going to learn about that next week. So when we do that next week, I want you to remember what we did right here. 5 and 4, is that the same thing as 4 and 5?
It's 9.
It's still 9, you're right. Okay. Now this says, how many pieces of fruit do you see? Write at least 2 different number bonds to show different ways to break apart the total. Well, let's count let's count all together how much fruit we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 1 second, honey. So in total, I have the number 9, right? So let's go ahead and write the number 9 in our total. Now I want you to show me 2 different ways that you could break that fruit into 2 parts. Show me 2 different ways you could do that. Okay?